Is it the right time to buy or sell shares of Nomad Foods Limited? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Nomad Foods Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 28, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 13, 2023, our system has identified Nomad Foods Limited as a promising investment, with a score of 2.93, indicating it's a buy candidate. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. We've observed a gain of 2.66% in the stock's value. This translates to an average daily return of 0.24% since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $17.10, it would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 19.79% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 9.45% and 20.61%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a minus 13.33% change over the next 12 months. This indicates a potential return between minus 32.93% and minus 8.83%. In simpler terms, the stock could range from $11.39 to $15.48 after a year. Our latest update for Nomad Foods Limited brings an important headline: weaker technical forecast for Nomad Foods Limited as stock downgraded to buy candidate. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, the stock price of Nomad Foods Limited experienced a slight decrease of minus 0.411%, going from $17.05 to $16.98. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.65%, with a low point of $16.94 and a high point of $17.22. Although the price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it still shows a positive increase of 2.66% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume of trading also declined along with the stock, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume tends to follow the stock's movement. Specifically, on the last day, the trading volume decreased by minus 130,000 shares, with a total of 239,000 shares being bought and sold for approximately $4.05 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached $19.76, while the lowest price was $13.56. Currently, the price is 14.07%, equivalent to $2.78, below the 52-week high, and 46.69%, equivalent to $14.87, below the all-time high, which occurred on June 4, 2021, when the price soared to $31.85. Analyst ratings. On Monday, February 27, 2023, Goldman Sachs upgraded their grade for NOMD to buy. On Thursday, January 5, 2023, Credit Suisse downgraded their grade for NOMD to neutral. On Tuesday, December 6, 2022, Deutsche Bank upgraded their grade for NOMD to buy. On Monday, July 25, 2022, Deutsche Bank upgraded their grade for NOMD to buy. On Friday, May 13, 2022, BTIG upgraded their grade for NOMD to buy. Analysts have given Nomad Foods Limited stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. The analysts have given the stock a neutral rating for return on investment. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Nomad Foods Limited. The stock of Nomad Foods Limited currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $16.71 and $16.31. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. However, it is important to note that some negative signals have also been identified, which may impact the near short-term development of the stock. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decrease of -0.411% in the stock price. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume of trades decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 34 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Nomad Foods Limited. Nomad Foods Limited has found support from accumulated volume at $16.25. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. In general, this stock tends to have very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $0.280, or 1.65%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.92%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Nomad Foods Limited, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio could indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which might present a buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.340. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Nomad Foods Limited. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $17.05. If you're not already invested, it might be a good idea to wait for the stock to break through this level before entering a position. However, if you already own shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is experiencing a downward movement, its first support level is at $16.25. If the stock manages to hold this support level, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market, anticipating a rebound in the stock price. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $16.31, which reflects a decrease of 3.96%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, indicating a lower risk profile. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is Nomad Foods Limited stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating a positive trend for Nomad Foods Limited stock. We believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. However, it's important to note that we have downgraded our previous strong buy recommendation to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. When we examine the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, December 29th, we anticipate that Nomad Foods Limited will open up by $0.0667 and start trading at $17.05. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment actions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the current view of this stock. Share your opinions by commenting below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful experience. Regards from the Stock Invest team.